Okay, so I don't know if you have heard about this, but this is the DJI Action Camera 2, and just look at the size of this product. It fits inside my palm, and it supports up to 4K resolution, 200 FPS, and it has all that stabilization features, so it's going to stabilize the video. And the best part is that you can wear a neckband like this inside your t-shirt. I have like a small magnet piece of magnet attached. Hold on. Yeah, it's going to attach like this, so it's not going to move with the t-shirt. And all you need to do is that you need to bring your camera and attach it here. So yeah, my hands are free now. I can do whatever I want. With the black t-shirt, it can camouflage itself really well, so I can just wear it, go anywhere I want, and it's going to record everything, and it's going to be in 4K. How cool is that?